In FCAM2012R2, users have the ability to change the handedness of thread milling tools. What this means is, as they select either a left or right-handed tool, this will dictate whether the feature is climb or conventional milled. This is all linked directly into the feed direction. So in this example you can see I've got a thread mill feature down the center of my component. If I play centerline simulation, I get my toolpath like so. If I play a 3D simulation, you can see I get a 3D simulation of my thread mill operation. So if I look at the feature itself, go to ThreadMill, into the finish, and note the tool that I'm using is this thread mill, and it is defaulted to be set to be a right-handed tool. But you'll notice I do have the option to set left-hand next to it. So as a right-handed tool, if I go to the ThreadMill Strategy, you'll notice the feed direction is set to -Z. So working its way down the feature, and we're going, in this case, clockwise. So what this gives us is conventional for a right-handed tool or climb for a left-handed tool. We can check this if we look at the spindle direction in the NC code. Scrolling down to the feature at the bottom and zooming in, we can see here, line N495, we have a spindle speed 5200 RPM and an M3 clockwise direction. If I was to simply change the tool, so going back into the finish, I've already pre-created a tool here, but it's exactly the same as this tool, only the only change I've made is it's now a left-handed tool. Replay the simulation. The feature looks the same, but if I check the NC code and look at that same line all the way down to 495, you can see the spindle direction is now set to M4. So we've now reversed the spindle direction and we are climb milling the feature.